Hi friends, in this video I would be showing 3 methods to fix Google TV Streamer 4K remote controller not working issue. Method 1. Let me open this battery cover. Just press here, then pull down. Open the battery cover. Then remove these batteries. Then we need to insert new batteries. So these are AAA batteries. Let me insert new batteries. Done. Then close the cover. Okay, done. Then you can check. This should fix the issue. If this is not fixing the issue, then you can go to method 2. Method 2. Press and hold this back button and home button together. These two buttons we need to press and hold together until we see the light flashing. Here on bottom you can see one light. That means this remote is working. See, here you can see the light. So right now this remote is in pairing mode. Then you can check the TV. It should pair and work. If this is also not working, then we can go to method 3. Method 3. As I said, first we need to press and hold these two buttons together until we see this light here. Then we can take Google TV Streamer 4K device. Here on back side of this device you can see one button. So this button has two functionalities. The first one is pairing the remote. Second one is reset. So first we need to put remote in pairing mode. As I said, we need to press and hold these two buttons together. Then we need to press and hold this button. Press and hold this button until we see pairing option in TV. When you see pairing option in TV, at that point you have to release the button. If you press and hold this button for a long time, device will reset. So please don't press and hold this button for a long time. When you see pairing option in TV screen, at that point you have to release the button. You will be able to see your remote name in TV. Using this reset button, again you can select that name and pair. You can complete the pairing. So that way you should be able to fix the issue. So these are the 3 methods. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.